Do you want your thumbnail not to be bad like this one? Well, you're in for the right video, because today I'm going to be showing you how to make a free thumbnail on Canva, which is a completely free tool to use, and you can use it for every single sort of social media site, whether it be YouTube, Facebook or Instagram. So stick around to the end of the video to figure out how to do it. Right, so now we're going to get into it today, right? So, firstly, if you haven't heard of Canva before, the link is in the description. You can go pick that up now, it's completely free. There's a pro version that you can buy, which is only, I believe, $10.99 a month or something like that, around the ranges, where it gives you more access to images, different backgrounds to use, and a ton of other features. So check that out if you'd like, but you don't need to pay anything to download it. So, go to your app store, type in Canva. It's spelled C-A-N-V-A. Type search, and there you go, it is. So I've already got it downloaded and we'll go straight to it. Now, you want your thumbnail to be in custom dimensions. The best size, put it on the screen here just so you don't forget, 1280 by 720. Now this is 720p. Basically it's the high definition and it shows up on anything. So you click create new design and custom dimension, type in the width, which is 1280, and type in the height, which is 720. Bam! Now you've got this little thing open. So we're going to do the thumbnail for this exact video. Now for some reason, I do not even have a picture or thumbnail for the video. So quickly, I'll take one with my phone. I'm showing you how simple it is. And we get a bit of lighting for it. So we've got this lighting tool that we can use. I'm going to start it with this. So I just plug this in here. So it only takes a USB. You can get these on Amazon. I'll put a link to that in the description as well if you really want it. It just has simple little lighting things and makes the lighting look better. So let's plug this in. Done. Right. Now put it on here like this. Clamp it on. Take it on. Right, now the light's on. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to still see it on my phone. Oh, Jesus Christ, it fell off then. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on my phone. We're going to make a funny thumbnail photo. So, is it still recording, Sean? Yeah, man. Alright, okay, so what we're going to do for it. Thinking what we're going to do. Usually, an emotional reaction works well for your thumbnails, so you might see a lot of your favourite YouTubers going like this, or smiling, or doing some sort of weird emotional thing. But for this one, if you put it on a timer, like a 3-second time, for this one, I'm just going to be like, what? Oh, it seems weird, right? It does seem very, very gimpy, to say the least. It seems like you're being dead weird and crazy. However, it really does work. So, it's probably the reason why I clicked on this video as well, isn't it? Right, so, let's go. Okay, so we've got that here. Right, that'll do. Yeah, man, that'll do. Right, now let's take this off. And let's take this image into, just click on shapes. And because the main colour of our logo is red, I'm going to put a red background at the bottom. Not the bottom, a red background. You know what a red background is, but you know. Right, so let's do red. And we'll stretch it across the whole screen and press done. So now we've got a red background. We go back onto it, press plus button, press images, and we'll get this little image here. Stretch it across. And just get to fit perfectly right. So that's done. Now we want to get a YouTube logo, so all you're going to do is go in here, type in YouTube, PNG logo, and you can obviously take this is not going to be copyright because you're literally on YouTube. Like, it's just to stand out a bit more because people are looking for YouTube related content, and this is just an example, but if you were doing a different niche like beauty, hair and beauty, just different, you know what I mean, different types of niches, then you'd obviously use something like a makeup emoji or your brand name or something people are familiar with in makeup. I don't know why I keep on using this example of makeup because I have no idea anything about it, but oh well. Right, we're going here and add to photos. And all you do to add to photos, if you didn't know, is you click on it. So you press it down like that, and it comes up with the options. So it's like you're holding it down. Right, now we add a new image. YouTube. I'll put this in the corner, right here. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll add some text. So how to make okay, add some text me on okay, there's lag in there for some reason, but right, let's just delete this one. So to delete it, all you gotta do is go to the top here and press bin, beep, gone. Right, now I'll double click back on your text option and we'll put how to make custom thumbnails, YouTube thumbnail. Thumbnails for free. Right, and we'll drag this up and we'll put it on the left side of the screen and we'll pick a good font for it. So we want a font that sticks out, pops out the screen and captures people's attention. So we'll do Algara Sounds Black or Bold. No, we'll go for a different one. Some of the fonts that you might see are obviously paid fonts. We want this to be in the same line, so just stretch it out, there you go. And we just want it to fit the screen on this side. And then we want to change it to white. Oh, it doesn't really work well with white. So what you can do, I believe you can do drop shadows on this as well. So we bold it. I don't really go well with white, does it? So we'll change it. To red. Well, I usually use Photoshop. It's just, I believe it's a better tool to use. However, this is just for people that are starting out and are like making some sort of excuse and like, well, I can't start YouTube because I don't have a camera and I can't make thumbnails or anything like that, you know what I mean? So I'm just showing you that you can do it for absolutely free. All you need is literally your phone. And most people will be buying a phone on contract and have an iPhone or any sort of smartphone. So what is your excuse? You all have a message that you can give to people, so obviously it's easy to do. You don't even need this lighting, this fancy lighting. It costs only like 20-30 quid, but you don't even need stuff like this. It just helps to start out, right? Okay, right, undo. Yeah, if you make a mistake, you literally just click the back arrow and it undoes everything. We want to change the colour, it just doesn't stand out. So yeah, there we go. A dark red stands out more. Yeah. So if you didn't want to take the image from YouTube either, you can go on images and click images here and you can type it in. So YouTube, there we go. go. We've got 3 transparent ones, so we'll get rid of this shite one. So we can make more images. So if you want to add the Canva logo so people know it's with Canva. What? Canva guys, come on, this is your own software, you don't even have your own logo in. Well, I don't want to go onto YouTube just to get it. Okay, well we'll leave that then. Put an iPhone, because it's with an iPhone. Yeah, but you get it, you have lots of fonts to choose from, we'll go with that one, right? We'll go with that one. And if you want to change certain keywords, click select, press click select. Seems it can do. Now you could make, okay, let's go back onto it. Now you could make something like an arrow. I mean, they're not as used anymore, arrows, but if you really wanted to point at something specifically in your thumbnail, you type an arrow, it will come up, free arrow here, change it to red or whatever, flip it around. There you go. And then once you've done it, you just press save, it prepares the design, and you get the image for absolutely free. Yeah. And then after that, that's it. That's literally it. So guys, if you enjoyed the video and you want to know more little techniques to start your business online or to help bring your business onto the online world, then please let us know down in the comments below. Please like the video if you've enjoyed it and this has helped you out, and subscribe for more content that will help you make your business amazing online. Thank you very much for watching and take care.